Hello, my fantastic English 112 students. Johnston Community College Summer 2018. Welcome to week 4. Yeah, look at us just zipping along. So what's going on for week 4? Well, last week we learned about annotated bibliographies. Yeah, fun. You should be working on that, and by working on that means you should be finishing it soon because it is due on the 13th. Okay, so let's just break down what's going on for this week. Well, you're going to watch the week 4 videos. You're starting by watching this one right now. Yeah. You keep saying yeah. Anyway, you're going to keep working on your annotated bibliography. You have 2 chapters to read, chapter 6 and chapter 7. Those are found under the required textbook. You get to submit your annotated bibliography by the 13th, and you have a couple of research logs to do. And we're introducing the next assignment, which is the rhetorical analysis. Oh, what are all these big words and stuff? It's going to be okay. Take it step by step, deep breath. It's going to be okay. So this is what I would do if I were you. First of all, I would watch this video right here. How to identify ethos, logos, and pathos. Okay. Once you're done watching this video, watch this video. Again, same concept. They call it different terms. They pronounce these differently, but it's the same concept. You need to know these for the next assignment, which is the rhetorical analysis. But first, just watch these 2 videos to get a sense of what these concepts are. Neither one of them are very long. Okay. Once you've watched these 2 videos, then I would read chapter 6 and chapter 7, which are found in the textbook, which also help you understand these concepts. Okay? All right, so far so good? All righty. After you've done those things, you watched the videos, you read these, then I would watch this video on the next assignment, which is the rhetorical analysis. This explains in detail what it is, how it uses these concepts up here for you to create it. Okay? So then you watch this. This shows you the next assignment that we're going to be doing and walks you through it. In addition, there is this document right here, the rhetorical analysis paper, that kind of walks you through what you need to do for that assignment. Right now, this could look very intimidating because you're like, I don't know what this stuff is. Well, no, it's not, because you haven't learned it yet, okay? So don't worry about that. I think it says chapter 5 and chapter 6. I think they've changed the chapter numbers. Regardless. But again, this is all explained. This assignment is all explained back here in this video. Okay, this is just a little paper reference for you to be able to look at to help you do it. All righty. Once you've kind of wrapped your head around what the rhetorical analysis is, and right now this is just big scary words, but again, I break it down in this video. It's going to be okay. Once you understand what this assignment's about, you'll be like, okay, not so bad, not so bad. Then, if I were you, I would work on research log 6. Research log 6. Now, the research log 6 is found right here. Research log 6 is basically, you're going to write a paragraph or 2 about your topic, a minimum of 300 words, and basically you're going to reflect on your topic. Has your opinion changed? There's a bunch of questions right here. What have you learned? What's been challenging? If you're still unsure about the topic. Now, the idea here is we want to make sure we're uncovering our biases and challenges. When we approach a topic, often we already have preconceived notions of what we think it is. Oh, this is bad, or this is good. Inevitably, every semester I have a student say, hey, look, I'm researching this topic, and I'm picking side A. And as I'm researching, all I can find is research to back up side B, but I can't really find a lot of research to back up side A, which is what I think. Well, my response is, well, then change sides. You may be wrong. Maybe side A is wrong. What? But that's what I believe. Well, why do you believe what you believe? If you are doing a bunch of research and the research shows that the other side is correct, then maybe, just maybe, you're wrong. Heaven forbid. Okay, that's research log number 6. Then what you're going to do is, research log 7 is really the first part. Gives you a head start, kind of a jump start on this rhetorical analysis. So I would watch this video first to really kind of understand what's going on, and then go to research log 7. Then once you're done with research log 7, hold on a second. Hold on a second, I'm doing a video. Okay, so research log 7. Sorry, folks, about that. Research log 7. Then I am going to be talking about analyzing one aspect of ethos, pathos, and logos. In your full paper, you need to do ethos, pathos, and logos. And then for this one, you're just going to do one. It'll make more sense once you actually watch the video. Alrighty? So you're like, I don't know what's going on. No, it's going to be okay. It's going to be fine. So if you go to, back to week 4. Okay. That was housekeeping, I think, knocking on my door. I'm recording this from my office at work. All right, so that was research. Okay, research log 7 is part of this paper. So once you understand this paper, it's really part of that will get you started. And then last but not least is the re-annotated bibliography. Annotated bibliography, this is where you're going to submit this assignment. Now, when you go to submit it, you click on here, and this is that assignment we talked about last week. You're going to browse your computer. You're going to find a file. Let's find a file. All right. And then you're going to click on I agree. Now this goes through the global reference database. What that means is that it's going to check for plagiarism and make sure you didn't copy and paste this paper from somewhere else. You have to write this, you yourself, not me, you do. You have to write this paper, not somebody else, you do. All right, so make sure that you are clicking that and then you would hit submit to actually submit it. To see how you get graded on this, you click on rubric, view rubric. Under rubric, you can see these are the different ways you're being graded. 10 articles from a valid source, 4 complete paragraphs for each source, APA formatting issues, written in third person. How do I make sure I don't have APA issues and written in third person? Well, that's a good question. If you go to the video tutorials, then there is, again, all these videos here show you how to format something in APA, and this shows you how to find and fix stuff for like second person to make it third person. So, all right, so as a quick review for week 4, you've got video you're watching now, then watch those videos, read the chapters, write research log 6, okay, figure out what's going on with the rhetorical analysis, write research log 7, then finish up the annotated bibliography. All right, you can do this. Hang in there. Summertime. Love it. Bye-bye.